Hello co-teachers! Check out these companies that are hiring ESL teachers with a rate of 200 pesos and above. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be updated. We are running 1,000 subscribers and I will be giving away massage pillows. I am personally using this massage pillow and this gives me the feeling of relaxation. Ang sarap lagi ng tulog ko dahil sa massage pillow na to. And I know naman na most of the teachers here are hardworking, so no time to go to massage parlors. That's why I want to give away massage pillows and no need to register, just you have to comment down below if you have already subscribed. And when we reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to just randomly pick people, so don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Also in this video, I'm going to give you an update on Chuan Yi. So wala nang paligay-ligay pa and let's start our presentation. Okay guys, are you ready? So prepare all your qualifications and requirement and you can apply all in one go again. So these are the high-paying ESL companies as of November or October and November. So I just came across these ESL companies and I decided to compile them for you guys to apply because I think most of us, we are looking for companies or ESL companies that are paying 200, at least 200 and up. But of course, I am also recommending some ESL companies that are like below 200 but they have incentives. So I believe that these companies could also help with your finances as well. But this time, these companies are paying 200 plus and above plus incentives. Okay, let's start. First, we have Partner English. So the rate is 205 per 50 minutes. How to apply? You just have to submit your CV or resume. Mount Love Kids 1004. You also have to submit an audio recording answering the Part 2 IELTS question. Don't forget to put your name on the file name. And this will be the question. You have to describe a risk you have taken which had a positive result. So this is a particular situation that you have experienced. The risk that you had to take and then eventually it gave you some positive results or like great results. So take a look at these. You should include what it was, why you took it, and what the result was, and also how you felt about it. So you have to record, and again with the recording you have to be fluent. So just like what I told you last time in my previous video, with your recording you have to prepare your spiel as well so that so you will sound fluent and smart, and also be mindful of your pronunciation as well. But for sure they are also going to check your pronunciation, so be mindful of your long E's and the short E, long I and short I, like that. So if you have an accent, that's much better. You also have to submit a copy of your certificates if any. So if you don't have certificates yet, it's okay not to put any. So there. This is Partner English. And this is also their hiring process. You will be undergoing interview, accent assessment, orientation and training, and finally, the final demo. Okay, next company we have Skybell. So you have to email the following to the email address admin@skybell.co.kr. This is a Korean company. So you have to include your resume or CV, 1-minute introduction voice recording, so audio recording, your Skype ID, don't forget. Teachers do not need to be qualified IELTS teacher but only have experience in teaching IELTS speaking. There is a 1-month training period. This is a 1-month training period, 22 working days before teachers are asked to stay on permanently. So probably you have to really undergo training and then you can be one of their regular teachers. If you are chosen to have an interview, you will receive an invitation within 3 days of submitting your information. If you fail, you will not be receiving any response. So after 3 days and you don't receive a message yet, so it means that you have to try another company, or probably you could try after a few months, or if they have an opening again. Okay, regular class rates 50 minutes 195 to 215 pesos. 4 hours a day, 8 a.m. 11 p.m. 8 a.m. till 11 p.m. because you'll be handling from beginners to advanced. Flexi schedule. You will be receiving 9,500 guaranteed salary with or without students, 500 pesos perfect attendance incentive, plus additional incentives, and you will be teaching Korean, just like what I told you earlier. Next company is Talkmaster. Teachers with CELTA certificate. CELTA is one of the English certificates as well. You can also earn starting rate of 250 per hour with 10% night differential payment or fee, and then European students. Usually for European students, you will have night shift from 11 p.m. till 4 a.m. or beyond. Government benefits, you will be having SSS, Pag-ibig, PhilHealth, fixed Sunday off. Okay, so this is the catch. I have tried applying in this company and I am for initial interview already. But of course, hindi ko siya ulit itutuloy kasi hindi ko naman gusto ng graveyard shift. I also left edu.pl, which is also graveyard shift. And I just tried because I want you guys to be encouraged as well. Even though you don't have CELTA certificate, you can just try to apply for so long as you have your other certificates, TESOL or TEFL certificate. So, yun lang yun gusto kong sabihin din. Because I receive a lot of messages asking how to apply and what are the schedules, what are these, what are that. What I would like to say is you can just try to apply every time. Because I understand that some of you are kind of intimidated with requirements and qualifications, but you just have to just be competitive and just try to apply. So there. Like in my case, I am affiliated with Bunny English, Preply, and also Chuan Yi, and also Langdi. So these companies, iba-iba sila ng oras ng peak hours. Qualification and requirements with teaching experience, proficient in English, of course, wired or DSL connection. For interested applicants, you have to taskmasterph.hiring@gmail.com. Okay, next company, we have EIGO Power. So the pay rate per hour, minimum is $5 and then maximum is $12. Class size, 1-on-1 students from elementary to adult, 18 years old plus. Class schedule, morning 9 a.m. till 12 p.m. and then afternoon 12 p.m. till 3 p.m. Late afternoon 3 p.m. till 6 p.m. So I think flexi schedule din siya and you can choose your schedule. Okay, also it says here, EIGO Power also seems to have pretty low barriers to entry and may be willing to accept non-native teachers that may demonstrate good English proficiency. So you have to be very competitive and just always claim it. Try and claim it. So there, law of attraction. So they should require a bachelor's degree in teaching experience and the ability to commit to teaching at least 3 hours per day and 5 days per week. So all you must imbibe is flow in English knowledge, technical knowledge to access Skype, because Skype will be the main tool, and communication skills for better interaction with students. I will put in the description down below how you could apply in this company. Okay, next company that is hiring this month is Mr. Japan's Bunny English. So pay rate per hour is $5.5 or 200 70 pesos fixed. So just recently we received an announcement from Mr. Japan that whatever happens with the exchange rate, we are going to receive 270 pesos fixed. So it used to be 285, but mababa nang bumaba yung exchange rate, it will remain the same. So there, just the usual requirement, of course, laptop, PC, headset, stable internet connection, the class schedule, holidays 9 a.m. till 10 p.m., regular days 4 p.m. till 9 p.m. or 10 p.m., and then whole day during the weekend. Students are Chinese from 5 years old to teens. Very seldom ang adult students kay Bunny English. If you're interested to apply, send your CV and audio intro to chupan1@yahoo.com. If you need guide on how to create a very impressive audio intro, you can just browse through my video. A video that can give you tips on how to make your audio introduction impressive and kung paano siya mapapansin ni handler and ni evaluator. So again, you can send your application to chupan1@yahoo.com. So there. Before we wrap this up, I would like to give you an update about Chuan Yi. We already have chosen 2 demo lesson teachers, and later on we have a meeting again with Mr. Shidong, and we are going to browse on some applications again, or browse through some applications again, because we are going to advertise already. I will be choosing some applicants who are willing to be part of the advertisement. Kaya medyo mabagal siya. It's not like ACADSOC or 51 Talk or other companies that are really advertising so much. We don't want to do that because, as I've told you before, $6, medyo malaki yung rate natin for the teachers, but we have to strive hard. So namin bawasan yung $6 per hour na magiging rate ng teachers. So, there. Okay, if this video helped you in some ways, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell as well. Thank you so much!